Hey guys, so this video is about the strange anomaly or the thing that I saw on Google Earth while searching for Mount Kailash Mansarovar. I'll tell you how it started. I was just scrolling through YouTube and just a video popped up in my YouTube recommendation regarding the mysteries of Mount Kailash Mansarovar. So as I clicked on that video and I saw that what are the various things that have been told by the conspiracy theorists that this place has magical powers and there are cities beneath this mountain, and this mountain is not a mountain but actually it's a man-made pyramid, very ancient pyramid. So I was scrolling through all the videos, so I thought that why don't I give a look at this place myself on through Google Earth, so that I can also see that how this place looks like through, from the top, how does its shapes look like. So first of all, let me just show you that where this place is. So this place is near to India and Nepal, basically in Tibet and now in China. I mean, China occupied Tibet. So so first, these are the lakes, Lake Mansarovar and Lake Rakshasthal, which are located very near to this mountain, basically this Mount Kailash range. And this Lake Mansarovar is known as the Sun Lake, and Lake Rakshasthal is known as the Moon Lake, and this is the Mount Kailash. So as you see, so this is the mountain, and this is how it looks from the top. So you can see the various shapes of this mountain as you look it from various angles. You can, your mind can imagine a lot of things, lot of shapes while looking at this mountain. So this is the unique feature of this mountain. So this is the mountain. So historians and people who have been to this place, they say that this mountain, actually this top of this mountain is actually a pyramid. Some say that this ridge over here, this is known as the Mount Nandi. So some say that there are a lot of carvings here on this mountain which look like human figure. You can Google the images of this mountain, and you will yourself see that it it does look strange, very strange. So so this is the mountain. Now I was just looking at this mountain from the top, from various angles, and then I found a very dubious thing on Google Earth. Now I'll show you. Just hold on. Now since I'm zooming out this image, now now you see, now once I'm zooming in, okay, can you see the white patch over the left top side? This one, see, there's a white patch over there. As I zoom out, it fades away. As I zoom in, it comes again. So as I you know look to this side of the image, you can see there's a white patch over here. And I mean, this looks very dubious and very, that something is going on below this place or at this place. That's why Google Earth has hidden this area specifically. So I mean, this is the strange thing which I wanted to show you all, that how this thing is possible on Google Earth. Like, either China is doing something very, you know, uh, which is very hidden. They don't want to show it to people that what they are building here or what they are doing here. See, as I zoom out, this thing will disappear, and as I zoom in slowly and slowly, a white patch will come. And another strange thing is that there's a road over here, proper road. You can see it's not a like a metal road or something. It looks like a okay, pretty much okay road in the mountains, like the roads are in Tibet and Indian mountainous region or Nepal mountainous region. So it's a proper road, and this road leads to this area, and then there's a curve here, which you can see, and this uh, road, it ends abruptly over here. Now how is this possible that this road is ending over here without anything, without any, there is nothing here. There's a this, you see, this road is ending over here, then this road ends over here, and see, this looks like a structure to me. I don't know what to say, hidden passage or what. And so this is the road one side, and there's a structure over here also, you can see this one. Okay, and this road, this goes to this side, and we can see to the left side. And now see, this road again disappears. I don't know, it's a landslide or what, because you cannot see the road right now. See, there is no road visible right now. See, whether it's a big landslide that has happened here, and satellite has picked up the image while this landslide uh, was already there. So this road is not here, and this road starts appearing again on the Google Earth image over here. But again, you cannot see the road over here. So this road leads to, this leads to these mountains and it goes away. But the most, the question to be asked is that what is this white patch doing over here? See, so I'll just show you the 3D part of this. So this is Mount Kailash over there, and this is the white patch. So there is something over there. Either it's a research facility for China or something is there. That's why they have hidden this thing, because already this place is, there is a lot of mystery which is attached to this place, Mount Kailash, Holy Mansarovar Lake, and the Solis area, and now this thing. So it means that there is something going on in this place. So I want you guys to search yourself on Google Earth and look at this place. I mean, I have been, using Google Earth since very long, and I just look at various places and how do they look from top, and just to get the idea of the place. But I've never ever seen a white patch like this. This is really something. So something is hidden, guys. I want you to check it yourself. Okay, guys, bye.